Hi Techlers, welcome back to Techler. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun little trick, how you can change the Google logo into your own name or even your picture. It's really simple and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want to make your browser look unique and personal, stick around. Let's get into it. First, open your Google browser and search for My Doodle. Click on the first link that pops up. Now, just add the extension to Chrome. Once it's added, head over to your extensions and open it up. Now comes the fun part. Type in any text you want to show instead of the Google logo. You can also add an image or even a clock if you want. For example, I'm typing in my YouTube channel name. Now click on Show Preview. And boom, it looks amazing. Let me try with my TikTok username. Yep, that looks pretty cool too. Okay, now, let's change it to an image of Tom and Jerry. Wow, that looks perfect. I love it. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now it's your turn. What would you change the Google logo to? Your name? Your crush's name? Or maybe something totally weird? Anyway, drop your ideas in the comments. I'm low-key excited to see what you guys come up with. Catch you in the next video.